Okay, hello and welcome. Chris here, and today we are going to look at how I find sites making $10,000 per week, clone them, and then have my self-learning AI agent improve them and then steal their Google traffic. And so this is a world-exclusive AI agent that we're about to break down. This is brand new for August 2026, and I am so excited to be sharing this with you today. So we are about to dive in. Just before we do, let's just do a very quick sound check, guys. I can see the room is filling up nicely. Do me a favor, just type into the chat box a one if you can hear me. So just put the number one, and I'll be able to see that everything's working. Okay, cool. So thank you, guys. It looks like everything is good to go. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you, everyone. We are good to go. So I am going to get started. Because what we are talking about is a technology, a method that allows me to clone any website, swap in my affiliate links, my offer, my niche, whatever changes I want to make to the page, my own images, my own brand, and then deploy the AI agent, and it will then take over. It will clone the site. It will begin to continuously improve the site. It will continuously drive Google traffic, and it will start to generate incoming traffic for me on autopilot. And there's no human involvement. There's very, very little time. There's almost no cost. There's almost no effort. This is the magic that you've been dreaming for a very long time. I know that everyone here has tried building a website before. Probably 99% of the people on this call do have websites that they have deployed. They've tried to make money with. They've not got anywhere with. This is going to be like a breath of fresh air because of its simplicity, because of its power, and crucially because of the fact that we are not trying to reinvent the wheel. We are finding websites and finding Google keywords and finding people who are making money right now. We are cloning them, and we are just using the AI agents to do a better version of what it is that they're doing to actually make money. So if you've tried websites in the past, then guys, just do me a quick favor. Type a yes into the chat box if you have if you own at least one website. Yeah, lots and lots of yeses. Do me a favor, type another yes if you own more than 10 websites. Yeah, still loads of yeses. Does anybody have more than 100 sites? Okay, James Mohammed. 300 sites. So I personally have over 500 sites. I've probably built maybe 1 or 2 thousand sites in the past. Look, everyone has built at least one website. Okay, every single person who wants to make money online goes through the same process. We build our first site. We're really super duper excited. Whether it's a WordPress blog, whether it's a site that we make with a website builder that we get from JVZoo or from somewhere else, we try to launch these sites. We run into all these technical problems. We don't really get anywhere. We don't really make any money. We don't drive any traffic, and we just become more and more demoralized because of the amount of time that it took to build the site and the lack of results. And so this is something that is completely different. This is like a breath of fresh air. If you have in the past tried to build sites, if you've managed to build sites, and you know that the answer is not just more sites, but you need a different type of site that actually makes money, that's actually based on what is working right now, then this is going to be like a breath of fresh air. And I don't say that lightly because I've actually been building sites and trying to do what I've done finally here. I've been trying to do it for over 20 years. The first site that I built was a blog called Last Sound. This was, I think, in 2004 or 2003, we launched it. And really didn't make a lot of progress. I think the total that I made from that site was around $60 in Google AdSense back then. I've since then been trying to crack the Google SEO code. I've had a lot of success with Google Ads. Spent well over $1 million on Google Ads and probably got back over $5 million in sales. Built thousands of sites, certainly well over 1,000 sites. Spent a ton of money on Google, and have basically spent so much time, so much energy trying to master this idea of an autopilot website that makes money, that gets traffic, that runs itself on autopilot. And so I'm so proud and so excited to be showing this to you today, because this really is going to be like a step change. Because as of today, we have an AI agent that will find any website that's making money, whether it's making $1,000 a month, $15,000 a month, even $150,000 a month. It will clone the site, and it will begin to run and improve and drive traffic to the site completely on autopilot. Okay, and so this is like nothing you've ever seen before. This is a brand new cloning technology. This is a brand new AI agent, self-learning brain technology, and a brand new Google AI agent as well. And when you combine the three, you end up with something completely insane. And here's a quick example. This was an affiliate site that we cloned. I actually cloned one of my own sites, believe it or not. So I found an old affiliate review site from a few years back. I cloned it. I had the AI just rebuild the entire site, but I put in a new affiliate link, so it was promoting a completely new offer. It took me around 4 minutes to do this. It just dropped my affiliate link in, remade the copy, remade the images. I deployed it for free, and I generated $340 in the first 11 days. Now, bear in mind that this isn't a crazy amount of money, okay? This is not, going to change my life in any kind of way, but the fact that I was able to do it so quickly, and the fact that it continues to grow over and over, is what is most impressive. Because next week I can go in and do the same thing. I now have this clone inside of my account. I can go in and very, very quickly just switch in the link, switch in the offer, and start promoting a brand new offer. And it's the speed of execution that makes this thing so deadly. So just before we dive in, just want to do a very quick kind of recap on who I am. My name is Chris. I build AI agents. Essentially, that's my kind of main day job, I would say, right now. And everything that I do by proxy through the AI agents. But historically, I'm a marketer. Generated over 100,000 sales in JVZoo, over 20,000 sales as an affiliate, well over $20 million in revenue across ClickBank and Warrior Plus and JVZoo. Been done things online, done things offline. And just made a ton of money, spent a ton of money, learned a ton of things, and right now I'm focused on AI agents. And